Greetings everyone, welcome back, this is Marco. A couple of weeks ago I went on a short 3 days road trip here in northern Italy, armed only of my digital camera and my Praktica MTL5 with the Pentacon 50mm 1.8 and obviously a few rolls of film, specifically Kodak Color Plus 200. Now this video is gonna be different from my usual, closer to my older travel vlogs, so I hope you enjoy it, but I don't want to bore you by talking too much as I usually do, so let's get straight to the first destination, the city of lovers, the city of Romeo and Juliet, Verona. Even if it's already mid-September, today is really hot, so forgive me if I'm sweating like a pork in the oven, but it's hot today. Anyway, I've just skipped Giuliette's house, La Casa di Giulietta, because even if it's Monday today, there were like 30 people in line, and honestly I don't want to stay in line for basically a small balcony and a statue where everyone touches the statue's boobs, which is kind of weird. I'm kind of tired. I'm not used to roaming the cities like this anymore. It's been a while. It's been quite a while. Last time was 2018, May 2018 in Seoul. It's been quite a while. On the second day, I moved to the southern shore of Lake Garda, and the plan was to ride my bike along the shore and visit a few of the towns there. So I parked my camper in the first destination of the day, Peschiera del Garda. So turns out Peschiera is not really that much of a town, pretty small, few things to see. Beautiful, sure, but it's what I would call an evening stroll town, and it is beautiful for an evening stroll. But yeah, haven't shot a single picture today. But don't worry, I have another place to go today. Right, some 10 kilometers by bike later, here we are in one of the most famous locations here on the Lago di Garda, on the Lake Garda, Sirmione. Basically a cool historical town surrounded by the lake with a cool castle turned into tourist trap. Still, hoping to grab a few cool shots more than Ferraris and Porsches. So yeah, as I said earlier, Sirmione is a tourist trap, yet at the same time it's a pretty town with the castle and the historical buildings, the historical downtown and the terme. On one side I like it, on the other I don't. Especially for a foreigner, it's a beautiful place. For me, I'm kind of used to these sort of places here in Italy, and it wasn't my first time here. I think I didn't really enjoy it that much, and I think it reflects on the fact that I barely shot a couple pictures. Now, I might be stretching it a little bit, but I want to try and reach one more place by bike again, and it's super hot, so wish me luck. Okay, see that right in the middle? That is the castle of Sirmione. Whoops! Now we are in Desenzano, another of the picturesque locations here on the Lake Garda, and our last stop for today. After visiting Desenzano, I rode my bike all the way back to Peschiera, not really that far, some like 20 kilometers, something like that. And when I arrived in Peschiera, the sun was setting and it was really beautiful and atmospheric, so I decided to snap a couple pictures there. First of all, look at that. Lago di Garda, Lake Garda, beautiful. Second time here. First time I was like 12 or something. But that's not the story I want to tell you this evening. I want to tell you that people always look at me weirdly. Because I have a beard, I have real long hair, I usually look pretty pissed off. But this time, I'm giving them a reason to look at me weirdly. Digital, this one. Analog, this one. Life of a dual wielder. Okay, I don't even have the microphone on because I'm like just walking with the cameras, and I wanted to try something different. I'm trying a little bit of a longer exposure, like half a second, which is the maximum that this camera can do without going into bulb. But yeah, wish me luck. Alright, last day, last leg of the journey. Today in Mantova. I gotta say, from this perspective, presents itself quite nicely. So, without further ado, let's go shooting, let's go exploring. And that was my 3 days road trip here in northern Italy. I hope you enjoyed this video, this different format, because it combines two of my passions, traveling and photography. So let me know in the comments what you think about. If you have any advice or whatever, just let me know in the comments. And as always, I will see you in the next video.